What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. In this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how to make $50 per Facebook post. And I'm going to walk you through this process step by step. And also, if you stick around and smash that like button, I'm also going to give you the exact text that I use on Facebook to make money. So if you're ready, let's go. Like I said, make sure you smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, because I want a lot of people to see this exact strategy, because this strategy right here has made me a lot of money very quickly. And the cool part is it's all free. This entire method is free. I'm showing you the exact process. So right now, if you're looking for more ways to make money from your computer, from home, online, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, one thing I can tell you about this exact strategy is it doesn't take a lot of time. Posting one time per day is more than enough to make $50 per day in income. Not only that, you want to make $100, $200, $500, $1,000 per day from this exact strategy, you can do it. And I'm going to show you how to do that at the end of this video. So make sure you stick around. So how exactly are you going to make $50 per day from a simple Facebook post? Well, here's how. There is a website out there. It's called raise.com. You can see it right here, raise.com. Okay? At the very bottom of raise.com on their website, there is a button that's called Affiliate Program. I want you to click on that button. Here's the reason why. On raise.com, okay, this is what you will find. You will find a bunch of discounted gift cards, okay, to a bunch of just different stores. Now, you don't have to buy any of these gift cards. You really don't. What we're going to do is we're going to show our friends, our family, other people how they can save money by buying a discounted gift card. Let me show you this, okay? Let's say you have a friend, family member, just somebody you know, maybe somebody you don't even know, but follows you on Facebook, and you let them know, hey, I just found a great deal on a Cabela's gift card. You can save $3.29 or 13% off of Cabela's gift cards by using this link here. And you would give them a link to this exact page where they can come and buy discounted gift cards. Let's say they don't shop at Cabela's. No big deal. Maybe they're going to go on a trip. So Southwest Airlines right now, you can buy a $200 gift card for $182.89. That means you just saved 8.6% by making a purchase, okay, of a discounted gift card. Okay, they don't want to go anywhere. Don't worry. Maybe they're hungry. Krispy Kreme. A $10 gift card, you pay $8. You save $2. I'll get you a couple donuts. Maybe Chuck E. Cheese. $25 gift card, you save 21%. You pay $19.68 for this gift card. Okay? Maybe Petco. You want to buy something for your pets? You buy an $88 gift card for $74. That is a great deal. Now, here's the cool part. They have all these different gift cards. A bunch of different ones. Starbucks, 7.4% off. Right? But here's the cool part. If somebody buys a gift card, there's a 1-year money-back guarantee. If for some reason the gift card just doesn't have anything on it, because you're buying it from other people, you get your money back. Or that gift card, the money, the exact balance was not correct, you got less than what you paid for, you get your money back. If for some reason you're using it for a little bit and then all of a sudden the previous owner decided to use it for something, you get your money back. So there's a 1-year satisfaction, 100% money back guarantee. If you ever have an issue, you get your money back. Okay? But you're probably thinking, okay, that's great, but how do I actually make money? I see how people can buy different gift cards, and that's awesome, that's really cool, but how am I making this 2% commission right here? How am I doing that? Well, here's how you do it. And $50 a day is not a lot, okay? It's not a lot. You can easily make more than that. Here's how you do it. You go to some Facebook pages that are your groups that I would rather go to. You go to some of these groups and you join them that talk about how to save money, budgeting, doing stuff with your family, just different things like that. Be creative, okay? And so you would go to some of these different groups and join the groups, okay? Click on the button, join all these groups. Here's the reason why. There's 17,000 members in this group, 304,000 in this one, 100 or almost 2,000 here. Keep going down. Well, not very many there, but we could go and help me save money. Money saving, just right there. And if we go to groups, there we go. We can go see all. Got a bunch of different groups. Okay, Money Saver Bargain Hunters, 264,000 members inside that group. Here's the reason why. Okay, let me show you this. Here's how it works. You post one message on your own Facebook page. Looks something like this. Have you seen this? I found another great deal on blank gift card. The link below will allow you to get this card for blank % off. These usually don't last long, so don't wait, and then you provide a link. Look at this. Let's say you had a friend that, or you think, okay, this is a great deal. 8.6% off. Now that's pretty good. That's not the best, that's pretty good. And you let people know, hey, if you ever think about traveling and you use Southwest, whether it's for personal or business use, consider this. Saving 8.6% by using the link below, right? And you let people know exactly how to do that on your Facebook page. I found another great deal on a Southwest gift card. The link below will allow you to get 8.6% off. These usually don't last long, so don't wait. Then you put a link, right? You do that on your page. And you do that on your page because on somebody else's page, on the group, you post this. I can't believe that I just saved 8.6% by purchasing a gift card to Southwest Airlines. This is such a great way to save money. If you want to know where I bought the card, then look on my personal Facebook page because I don't want to violate this awesome group in any way. And by doing this, you're honestly giving value, helping people out, but at the same time, you're not providing an affiliate link. You're not trying to get people off to go do something else. You're trying to give them value. You're showing them exactly what you did. Now, if you don't ever find any of these gift cards, you don't buy any yourself, you've never used them, do I recommend you do this? Probably not. However, it's a great way to save some money. Okay? Let's say you go to Applebee's, right? So I spell Applebee's, something like that. Applebee's right now, you get 11.4% off. So you get a $25 gift card for $22.15. That's not bad. That's easy to pay for a little more than your taxes. Okay? So that's what I'm talking about. There's a lot of ways to make money using this exact strategy right here. Okay? And it's simple. It's very basic. Take these exact messages right here, these exact posts. Okay, I've used these multiple times before. Use these exact same ones and start making some money. Take these, post this one right on your Facebook page, okay, on your personal page, and then take this one and post that on some of the groups. Now, if you want to make $50, every single day, you just need to do one post on a fairly popular Facebook page in a group. For example, one that's about 4,000 members. If you do it right, you should be able to because, okay, look at this. 2% commission, all you need is to sell $2,500 in gift cards. That's $2,500 out of a group that is 4,000 members strong or 304,000 members strong. Don't you think you should be able to get a handful of people to look at your link and potentially buy one of the gift cards? Maybe they want to go to Applebee's, okay? $25 cards, you're going to have to sell, 100 of these to get to the 2,500, okay? Let's say you're going to promote this one, okay? 250 gift cards, 250 people buy this, and you make that kind of money, okay? It's 2% that you get, up to 2%, which means if a bunch of people buy these gift cards right here, you're going to make your money quickly. And again, this is actually helping other people out. And if you want to make even more money, here's what I recommend you do. Start your own Facebook group. Start your own group, and every single day inside that group, let people know, oh, did you see this? You can easily save this much money by buying the gift card right here. And it doesn't even have to be about saving money. It could be a page on health or on pets. Because if it's on pets, guess what? Not that one. Where is pet go? There it is. It's on pets. All you gotta do every single day. Hey, if you're not using discount gift cards, I highly recommend you do, because right now you can get a $25 gift card for only $23. You can save $2 just by purchasing a gift card before you make your purchase. How cool is that, right? It's so simple. It's the easiest, and in my opinion, one of the best ways to make money is by helping other people. So if you're not doing that, you're missing out. As I promised in the beginning of this video, I'm gonna give you a few different tips, tricks, and strategies to make a little bit more money. The very first strategy that I want to give you, something that I think is just an incredible way for other people to make some more money, is by them saving money on the purchase. Here's how they do that. Let's say somebody is going to go and buy a $100 gift card. They're going to spend $100 and they're going to get like a $115 gift card. That's a pretty good deal. But one of the things that they can do is use a credit card that gives them 2% cash back, which means they're going to pay $100 for a $115 gift card, but then their credit card company, once they use that card, it's going to give them 2% cash back. So really, they paid $98 for a $115 gift card. They just saved $17 by shopping and buying a discounted gift card before they ever made the purchase. So this is a great strategy, and if you ever run into somebody that is low on cash, they love eating out, they love shopping, but they just are always struggling to come up with more money. At the end of the month, they're always a little bit short. What you need to do is show them how they can save money on purchases they're already making. The next tip that I have for you guys, which is a game changer, is to be laser focused and niche down into a specific topic. Here's what I mean. I just showed you on my own computer that you can go in and go to these groups talking about saving money and being more frugal and, just living a better life by not spending everything that you earn, right? Well, that's one way to do it. But one of the ways that I've been doing it, I'm not going to give you the exact niche that I've been doing it in. However, I've been joining different Facebook groups and kind of nurturing the members, okay? And what I mean by that is, inside the group, what I do is they don't talk about money at all, okay? We talk about a very specific topic, and it's not something that I have a lot of expertise in, but I do know a little bit about it. So for example, let's say I go to a Facebook group talking about pets and training your dog and buying the best dog food and this and that, and I'm just trying to give the most value I possibly can. One of the next steps that you can give even more value that works every single time is to let people know, hey, I don't know if you guys are aware of this, however, there is a website out there where you can actually save money by buying a discounted gift card. Did you know about this? If not, I put a link to it down below. And people will actually click on the link. Whether you put the link actually in the post of the Facebook group or you put it in the first comment, doesn't matter. Hopefully the admins and the moderators will let that post slide. Sometimes they don't, so just be aware of that. But if they do, or if you have their permission to go ahead and give value during this, doing this simple, technique, some of them like it. Okay, I have a few that said, yeah, you're more than welcome to post a link as long as that link is helping our members. And I let them know it is an affiliate link. I would get paid a small commission if they do buy this. However, I'm in this group probably a few times a week, and it's helping out. So because of that, these admins and these moderators are fine with it. Okay, so think about that. Let's say you are really good at, you're really great with fashion. You join a bunch of these fashion groups. One of the things you can do is post a link to the pages such as H&M and maybe Banana Republic and Macy's and all these different retail stores. And again, this is just one technique, one method. But really focus on niching down, finding the category you want to be in, and really push it and promote it there. And the last tip, something very basic, don't stop. Don't stop. Some people, and I've shown multiple people this exact same technique. I've been doing this for over probably about almost 2 years now, maybe 3 years now. And this same method still works. I've shown many people exactly how to do this. And what the biggest problem I've noticed with a lot of these people, a lot of the students that I've talked to, is that they quit. They make some money, a little bit of money here and there, but then they stop. what I'm telling you to do is don't stop. Go into these groups and offer value, pure value. Post a link, post that exact page or that exact post I showed you on your own page, and then post the exact same one on one of the groups. Because what's going to happen is the more people you get to see it, and you go from group to group to group and figure out which group is the best one, converts the highest, that's where you're going to make the most money. So I know you're probably excited. I know I'm talking your ear off. You don't want more tips. You just want to implement this exact strategy. Then go do it. Okay, before you leave, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It really does help this YouTube video, helps my channel grow, helps more people see this exact same method. And if you really want to help, go and share this post, go and share this video over on Facebook. Let your friends and family know exactly how they can make money as well. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, if you learned something, you enjoyed it, you just want to help me out, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.